Hello, everybody.
Hello, everyone. My name is Shamia, and this is
Jackson.
Jaxton Huff.
Jackson.
So, we're going to be making a video today. Jaxton, can you tell everybody how old you are?
Yes.
How old are you?
3.
Say a whole sentence.
3.
I am
I am 3.
3 years old.
I am 3 years old.
3 years old.
3 years old.
Years. You didn't say years.
Yes.
I am 3 years old. Say it in a sentence. Be still.
3 years old.
Okay. So tell everybody, what is your favorite color?
Blue.
You say it in a full sentence.
Blue.
Say my
favorite color blue.
Is blue.
It's a blue.
Okay. What is my favorite color?
Yellow.
Yes, my favorite color is yellow. Good job. What is your mama's name?
Tykia.
Tykia, that is right. What is my name?
Jamil.
Yes, it is Shamia. What is your papa's name?
Aunt.
Aunt. What is your uncle's name?
Uncle AJ.
Yes, Uncle AJ. All right, so Jackson, we're going to be teaching the people the letter sounds today, okay? So you see the letters on the screen, on the computer? So you're going to say the letter and the sound and a word that goes with it, okay?
Okay.
All right, start here. What's this letter?
A.
What sound does it make? What word?
Apple.
Good. What about this one?
B. Bow.
Good. This one?
C. Cat.
Good. This one?
D. Dog.
Good. This one?
E. Everything.
Good. This one?
F. Frog.
Good. This one?
G. Goat.
Good. This one?
H. Hat.
Good job. This one?
I. Eagle.
Good. This one?
J. Zero.
What?
J. Jackson.
Jaxton. Okay. This one?
K. Go.
Good job. This one?
L.
Lamb.
Yes.
Good. This one?
M. Monkey.
Good. This one?
N. R.
No, this one.
N. No. What's it saying?
You tell me. What letter? What word goes with N?
Noodles.
Who?
Noodles.
Noodles?
Yes.
What is that? All right, what about this letter? It sounds a word. Put your hand out your mouth.
O.
Okay. Oh, what?
Octopus.
Good. What about this one?
P. Papa.
Good. What about... Oh, I have to go down. Hold on.
Yeti cool right here.
I have to slide it down. Oh, there we go. All right. What about this one? Right here.
Queen.
What's the letter?
Huh?
What letter is it?
R.
Oh, what's this letter?
Queen.
It does say queen, but what is the letter though? What's the letter?
I don't know.
Yes, you do. What comes after the P? P.
Oh.
No, what's this?
Cool.
Q. Good. All right, what's this one?
Oh,
Keep going.
I say rain.
Ring. Yes. This one.
It's what you talk about.
You tell me. S says what?
Snake.
Snake. Okay. What about this one?
She. Turtle.
Turtle. Okay. What about this one?
You. A feather.
This one.
B with a violin.
Good. This one.
W said watermelon.
Watermelon. Okay. What about this one?
It's xylophone.
Xylophone. Okay. What about this one?
Right, yellow.
Good. This one.
You.
What?
Zebra.
Zebra. All right. One more thing, and then you can be done. Let's say these, and then you're done. All right. Let's go.
Bat.
Bat. Good. What's this?
Bat.
Is that one? What is it? B. Bet.
Bat.
Good. Next one. They can't see you.
Huh?
They can't see you in the camera. You're moving. All right. What's that one?
No, which how about this one?
This one. Yeah.
Where's AJ?
I don't know. He's not here right now. Say the sound and the word. What would it be? You have to sit up. Be still.
I can see
What?
you.
You can see that. Oh, you want to see your face?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Let me slide it up.
Baby.
Look, be still. You're moving too much. All right, there you go. So do that one. All right.
Ba.
Try again.
Ba.
That I doesn't say I. It's a short I. What does it say? Doesn't say I. It says I. So try it again. Be still. Sit down. All right. What does it say? Gotta finish it out. Then we'll be done. So say it. What does it say? What? Keep going. This one. Yeah. Say it. No, we're not on that one. Oops, sorry. We're on this one. We're on this one.
No.
The B-I. What does it say? Why are you so silly? Keep going. Let's finish it. And then we'll be done. Look. One, two more. Three more.
Hey. Stop.
Be still. People are seeing you acting up. They're seeing you. Why are you being so silly? What is funny? All right, I'm about to stop the video because you're not doing it right. Let's finish the video. Then we'll see. All right, what's that one?
Hey.
All right, we're done because you're not acting right for the video. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Watch out, I have to end the video. Bye, everybody. Jaxton's being silly. Jaxton, get off my head. It's so silly. What